By 2025, space startups and companies will benefit from the satellite big data analytics market worth rupees 300 crore. With Earth observation applications becoming a key area of space technology, it leaves the Indian startups in the space segment with myriads of opportunities. Satellite data is becoming crucial in many areas, both small and large.
India, especially being a large country with a huge population, the applications based on the space, satellite images, communication, etc., can be widely exploited. And I would say that in the next 5 years, the market will grow to something like 10 billion or so. So, how to capture this? Today, almost everything is done by the government. And NSIL, the new company of ISRO, and old Antrix, etc., they are doing it. But looking at the volume of business, if the private initiatives come in, we can have a much faster growth. The data which is from our satellites, except for the sensitive area, it is accessible through NRSC. So these data can be processed and it can be used for agriculture, forestry, water resource management and so on. So there's a great potential on that.
Such as climate indication, warnings that help disaster management, crop growth images required for crop insurance companies, images of potential fishing zone and mineral deposit indication.
Applications-wise, in fact, we require more private companies to come in because, as you know, ISRO is creating a lot of space resources in terms of satellites in orbit and then our ability to put them. And we are generating a lot of data from them. And how to make use of this data for the societal applications. The processing the data and making it into suitable products. In fact, the National Remote Sensing Agency is working on that, and there already a lot of private people are involved. And from application point of view, innovative entrepreneurs can come in and then see how the space data generated by ISRO can be put to societal applications. A lot of scope is there for that.
Data of image sensing satellites that do not fall within the security military purview is now available. Scientific analysis understanding the potential of these data is the next billion-dollar space product.
What we look at the space does not mean it is a satellite. Our space does not mean that it is a launch vehicle that takes the satellite to its orbit. Down the line, the moment satellite starts operating from its orbit, then we need its data that is coming has to be exploited. So there's a lot of possibility in utilizing the data products. So for example, you see there are your GPS satellites, they are providing lots of data about your location and other things. But then that has been converted into maps. Every mobile is carrying a map now. So similar applications have to be developed and a lot of employment potential, especially for youngsters. They can look at what kind of new innovative products can be generated from the existing data.